Hello, this is Christian with Westampton Roofing. Today we're here about to do a attempt to repair for Miss Preet at 84 Westampton Drive, Westampton, New Jersey. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, I will be replacing this piece because it has wind damage and it has a crease. So I will be replacing with a brand new piece of shingle. As you can see, the condition of this roofing is really brutal. I'm just carefully taking out and look how it got damaged. As you can see, I was just lifting this piece up so I can nail it underneath, and it got damaged. It broke. That's how bad this roofing is. So I just finished replacing this shingle, as you can see. How this shingle got damaged, it broke. How this shingle got damaged, completely a full crease. How this shingle is all damaged. So this is you can see this is all damaged. We cannot repair it. I just did. You guys can see it. This roof is too brutal. It's too damn brutal.